For years, artificial intelligence was built like a tool. One AI could write, another could recommend videos, another could drive a car or detect fraud. Useful? Yes. Powerful? Definitely, but still limited. Now the biggest companies in tech are chasing something much bigger, not a tool, a worker. A system that can think across tasks, adapt to new situations, and eventually do the kind of work that, until now, only people could do. This is not just a technology story, it's an economic story, a labor story, a power story. Because the moment AI stops being just software and starts becoming a general-purpose worker, the entire global economy begins to shift. Think about the modern economy. Almost everything around you depends on human labor. The food you order, the package you receive, the code behind apps, the financial analyst building models, the assistant scheduling meetings, the support rep answering complaints. Now imagine a world where one intelligent system can do not just one of those tasks, but many of them. In the past, machines were specialized. A factory machine could stamp metal. A cash register could process payments. A forklift could move pallets. Humans were different. Humans could switch roles, adapt, solve unfamiliar problems, communicate, make judgment calls. That flexibility made human labor incredibly valuable. But now, AI companies are trying to close that gap. They want systems that can write emails, analyze data, and eventually control physical machines. And labor is one of the biggest costs in business. If a company can reduce the cost of repetitive mental work, the upside is enormous. A company that depends on human workers has limits. Workers need sleep, training, management, time off, protection from burnout. AI does not erase all of those challenges overnight. But from a CEO's perspective, even partial automation can be transformative. Demographics are another reason. Many developed countries are aging. Birth rates have fallen. In some countries, the working age population is shrinking. AI looks like an answer. Not because it has emotions, but because it can help economies do more with fewer workers. OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, and Tesla are all moving toward the same horizon. More capable systems, more autonomy, more real-world usefulness. If intelligence becomes cheaper and easier to deploy, what happens to the value of human work? History shows that when technology changes the cost of labor, it changes society. It changes education, business models, and who gets rich. Think of it as a quest to build the ultimate worker. A worker that can scale, adapt, and be improved at digital speed. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to the YTV. Watch the next video to understand the invisible force making your money worth less every year.